How to get all Facebook Messenger older version app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, head over to your preferred browser and then search for Messenger APK download. Tap on this one. After that, tap on older versions and you will see all the versions of Messenger over here. Simply select the version you prefer and then download it. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.